Top artificial intelligence companies to watch in 2022. NVIDIA. Founded in 1993, is now one of the most globally well-known AI software and hardware manufacturing companies. They specialize in the engineering of graphics processing units, system-on-a-chip units, and application programming interfaces. However, over the last few decades, NVIDIA has distinguished itself from other companies in this domain. Data Root Labs. Data Root Labs is a data science and AI consulting company that was founded in 2016. They offer services throughout 3 primary domains: AI solutions development, provision of AI and ML engineering teams, and startup consultation and venture services. Assembly AI. Assembly AI specializes in the provision of speech-to-text APIs for enterprise use. Ultimately, they aim to provide developers with advanced deep learning technology that remains accessible and easy to use over time. Core.ai. Core.ai aims to deliver and develop the next generation of AI-powered virtual assistants for enterprise-level utility. Using state-of-the-art natural language understanding technology, Core.ai helps their customers streamline engagement with relevant stakeholders and transform the way in which human-machine interactions are automated. OpenAI. OpenAI's ultimate goal is to build fully functional generalist agents or artificial general intelligence for the benefit of humanity. Future AI. Future AI, much like OpenAI and DeepMind, is attempting to pioneer and develop solutions to AGI. Currently, they offer 2 products, Sally and Brain Simulator 2. Boost.ai. Boost.ai offers their customers a conversational AI platform that aims to streamline and automate interaction and communication at a scale for enterprise utility. Planet Labs. Planet Labs is an organization that uses AI methodologies in conjunction with satellite imagery data to deliver nuanced insights into the course of change on our planet. The insights they provide can be used to help guide decisions in numerous industries from agriculture, mapping, and government to military and urban development. Nurella. Nurella is an up-and-coming software development company that specializes in AI-driven automation and computer vision software for quality inspections in manufacturing. Nurella's VIA software package is compatible with essentially any existing hardware and allows manufacturers to decrease the rate of product defects by improving inspection accuracy as well as the number of inspected products. AI Brain. AI Brain is a daring company that aims to augment human intelligence with the help of AI-powered technology. The goal of the company is to build a fully autonomous AI whose problem-solving, memory, and learning capabilities equal or surpass those of human beings.